How to log in to First Republic bank account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to First Republic bank account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So if you didn't know, First Republic bank accounts have all been transferred to Chase.com. So if you want to access your balance in that account, you'll need to log in into Chase.com and not First Republic. So here, if you try to type in firstrepublic.com and hit enter, Chase website will open up. So now you'll need to log in into JP Morgan's Chase to access your First Republic account. So after you hear, what you'll need to do is type in your username, whatever your username is. Then finally, the password. After you type that in, you can tap on sign in to sign in into the account and access your balance. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.